Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandeep Mahamani, working as Assistant Professor at Department of Chemistry, Sadhguru Gadge Maharaj College, Karad. Today we are going to learn how iron is occurring in nature, what are different minerals of iron. But before going to see existence of iron in different mineral forms, let us consider some introductory part related to the iron, or first let us see chemistry of iron. The word iron is derived from prehistoric form, the Anglo-Saxon iron or Isran. The symbol of iron is Fe, which is derived from Latin word ferrum, meaning iron. The atomic number of iron is equal to 26, having atomic mass 55.85. The electronic configuration of iron is 2 8 14 2 or 3d6 4s2. Iron exhibit two different types of valencies, that is +2 and +3. +2 valency is called as ferrous, +3 valency is called as ferric. Iron is the main transition element belonging to 3d series, and it is present in group 8th B and 4th period of the periodic table. See how iron is occurring in the nature. The extent of iron in earth crust is about 62,000 ppm, or it is present as a percentage of 6% by mass. In nature, it is found in combined state such as oxides, sulfides, silicates, etc. Its compounds occurs in soil, rocks, minerals, green plants, and hemoglobin. It is observed that minerals of iron exist in three different forms such as oxides, carbonates, and sulfides. The examples of oxides are magnetite, hematite, limonite. The example of carbonate ore is siderite. The example of sulfide ores are iron pyrites, copper pyrites, and arsenical pyrites. Let us see in detail about these different forms of iron. First, let us consider oxide type of ores. So the variety of mineral of iron, which is black in color, is called as magnetite. It is having formula Fe3O4 or FeO Fe2O3. It is also called as ferroso-ferric oxide or magnetic iron. The percentage of iron in this magnetite ore is about 72.4%. The second example of the oxide type of mineral of iron is hematite, which is red in color. Its formula is Fe2O3. It contains about 70% of iron. It is also called as ferric oxide. The third variety of mineral of iron is called as limonite. It is brown in color, therefore it is also called as brown hematite. Its formula is FeOOH NH2O, which contains about 60% of iron. Hence it is based upon its formula, it is also called as hydrated. Then second type of ores are called as carbonate ores. The example of carbonate ore is siderite or spathic iron ore or ferrous carbonate. It contains 40 to 45% of iron. It is having formula FeCO3. Then third variety of minerals of iron are called as sulfides. Different examples of sulfides are iron pyrite. It is having formula FeS2. It is also called as fool's gold. It is looking like gold. It is yellow as well as it is metallic in nature. Then second example having formula CuFeS2. It is called as copper pyrite. Third variety of mineral of sulfide ore is called as arsenical pyrite, which is having formula FeAsS. So these are different forms of minerals of iron in which it is existing. Thank you.